Okay, so for this video, this is 426/2020. Now, as you can see, green biker, red biker. You can see the how far away I was. Let's see, that's about 5 car lengths. By the looks of that car being, here. I was still going 55, 60 because I didn't want to take a chance that I didn't want to get too close because I know bikers don't like it. This will be in Moto Madness, I'm hoping. And I think it's a Lunatic something? Or Moto Lunatic or something amongst that, because this is dumb and stupid. I'm hoping they put it in there. I really hope this does not happen again because this was just insane. Okay. So, right after this car, right? Or no, this one here, my bad. This one, or no. The next one after. I had a guy behind me that sped up to me. I'm still a couple of car lengths away. Here I'm speeding up to 65. And these guys sped up faster than me. 1 second. So Dakota, license plate is 2651590. Now the reason why it's in the video is because he got super close to these bikers. And that has to stop. There's no way. And I was going 65. So the fact he made it that far, right here, 65, I stayed here. And he's going that fast. Let me pause, let me see. So 25 would be what? 6, 7, 8. About 90 miles. I want to say he was going at least 80 and maybe a little bit more. There's no way he was in 70s passing me that fast. So either 80s, 90s is that speed there. Now, you got this car here doing the exact same thing, but closer to a head-on collision. 25, I think it's 259750. No, 250. Oh shoot, my bad guys. I apologize. My fingers really messed up. So it's hold on here. He's also going fast. And as you can tell in front, he's got head-on. So 2507950 for speeding. It almost comes to a head-on collision. Going the same speed as that white truck, 89 miles per hour. And as you can tell, as we get up to here, you can see how close they are to these bikers. Not a car length away, probably inches from them. And then of course, we come up to here, right? And they're going slow because they're right up on them. Now I saw a cop right there. And I hit the horn. I got here, hit the horn. I had my hazards on. I wanted them. Like, look how close he is to this biker. I hit the horn. I come to a complete stop. I saw that guy look at me, but there's a cop there. I try and get his attention. The cop runs. And of course you hear me, or you see me just, alright, no. There he goes, not even minding, and here's me just not stopping, because I wanted him to get those trucks. And I was like, no, just screw it. He's not coming. He may have stopped at that light, but I was like, no. It's pointless. He's not going to do nothing, obviously. That's why I took off. And of course I went on with my day. And I took this turn very fast because I was mad. I was so mad because those bikers, I don't even know if they're in danger. Here's me, just sliding in. But yeah, let me go back here, I'm sorry. About right here. See, a green, I thought it was red, it might be red, black. Again, that's not even a car length away. Imagine them actually going the speed that they were going. I just hope these bikers are okay. I really do. This shouldn't be happening when it comes to this, because for one, that's super close. And on with the normal day, that guy doesn't stop. I mean, I didn't, so you can go with me with that. That one didn't. That one didn't. That one didn't. Then you got bikers over here, which I almost wanted to stop and talk to, but I don't know their license plate numbers, and this guy doesn't stop. I let a car go because I had to calm down. I was so mad because that cop didn't do nothing, and the people had to speed like that. And I hope those bikers are okay. And then I don't care if they try and sue me for having a license plate in the video. The license plate is actually public information, is because they're on your car and they show. And this is for the cops that need the information. Because I have it on video, and I did get the cop information. The guy who I talked to in the other video, or talked about in the other video, was also in this video. But he's not in the recording, because I wasn't recording at the time, but yep. I got in my work and called them. I called the department and talked to them, and they had a cop sent to me, and it was that same cop. I gave him the channel information, the channel page link, and he practically has it. So yeah. See if I can find the. There we go. That's what I wanted. This part scared me. Because if I didn't back up fast enough, that would have hurt. Because I looked faster when I was sitting there. But yeah, he showed up. I talked to him. I gave the channel link. He said he didn't know what else he could do because I didn't give him I gave him one of the truck. The one I gave him wrong. But yeah, I got that part figured out. Gave him the channel link. Said it'd be up there tomorrow. I'm gonna post a license plate. I can care less. You guys could come at me for it. But you can't. But yeah, but no, it's for safety reasons because I'm hoping those bikers are okay, 100%, because this can't be happening. Because, you know, bikers' lives, I watch a lot of biker videos. I can't see this. I can't. But yeah, that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy.